Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to close chapter 5, Working of Institution. So, in this chapter, yesterday we have discussed about powers of Prime Minister and President. You know, Prime Minister is the head of government and he reacts whatever. So it should be followed by the whole cabinet or all the ministers, and he appoint the ministers. So there were three category of ministers we have discussed: cabinet, independent ministers, and minister of state. I'm writing in short form. So yesterday we have discussed cabinet minister, independent minister of state, and minister of state. These are the numbers 25. They are more powerful, or these are the department with concern with the parliamentary, independent ministers concern with the state, and they may be attend the meeting when they may be called by the cabinet. जब इनको cabinet call करेगा, they may be attend the meeting. Or minister of state are the supportive hand of the first two categories. जो minister of state होते हैं, small department होता है, and they support, they assist the both first or second department. So this is the power. Or another one important point we have discussed related to the prime minister. When a prime minister may be give, yeah, quit, so it means the whole cabinet, all council will be quit. यानी prime minister ने अगर resign दिया तो माना जाएगा पूरे सब ministers का resign. So like this power we have discussed yesterday, and we have discussed related to the president. President has the power. Most of decision is taken on the name of president. President also appoint the chief justice, Supreme Court judge, High Court judge, ambassadors, you know, like Prime Minister also. So these all are the appointed by the President. President is the commander of all three defense, forces जो होती है, उनका head of होता है, commander होता है, President. तो President has the power, but President work as a instruction of Prime Minister, जो Prime Minister के instruction होते हैं. So yesterday this point we have discussed. Today we are going to discuss about judiciary. Last institution. So earlier we have discussed the legislation. What are the part of legislation? So okay. At the last I will revise all the points. So today we are going to discuss about the judiciary. So here in judiciary, so there are different levels of judiciary. High Court, you are studying earlier in class 8. Sorry, Supreme Court, High Court, and local court. So these are the categories. Supreme Court located at the Delhi, High Court located in each state, but number of High Court are 21 only. And 7 eastern states, there is the only one High Court located like Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram. So 7 sisters, जो जानी जाती है eastern states, these are known by the 7 sisters. There is only one High Court in Assam, Guwahati, and Punjab and Haryana have one common court, that is Chandigarh. So total number of High Court are 21. For local court, these are known as the local court, district court, and is known by the different name. So maximum cases are sought out by the local court. So these are the categories, these are the structures of judiciary in our country. What are the duties, work of judiciary? So today we will discuss what are the work of judiciary. So first we will write the C for citizen, S for state, and country. Right? 3 points. So through this, what are the work of the judiciary? To sort out to solve the dispute among the all three. to sort out dispute among the all three. This is the main duty of judiciary. A dispute between the citizen to citizen, dispute between the citizen to citizen, दो citizen के बीच का dispute, dispute between the citizen and state. If anyone dispute between the citizen or state government, dispute between the two states. This is it is not given anywhere. ये मैंने खुद ने लिया है. तो dispute between the two states and dispute between the state and country. अब मैं एग्जांपल भी दे देता हूँ. Which type of dispute may be? जैसे there is the dispute between the two citizens related to property. It is related to maybe the any criminal cases. Any dispute may be related to. Earlier we were studying related to agriculture. Anyone shifted their field boundary like this. So dispute between the two citizens. This is the example. Citizen and state. Any dispute between the state, suppose state government or citizen. So such dispute between the two states. Up to state, earlier we were discussed about in class 6. Dispute between the two states. जैसे suppose any one river may be flowing from the one state to other. जैसे चंबल river originated from the MP or flow in Rajasthan. So it maybe in MP, government may be construct the dam inside the MP border. So it will be create the dispute among the Rajasthan and MP. क्योंकि उसका रेस्ट ऑफ जो पोर्शन है फ्लो किस में हो रहा है इनसाइड राजस्थान. तो जब डैम एमपी में बन जाएगा तो राजस्थान अनेबल टू रिसीव द river water, so there will be a such dispute. This is the just example. It may be related to river, it may be related to the border, it may be related to the political power. Any dispute between the two states. Dispute between the state and country. Suppose border to related जैसे GST. अब suppose राजस्थान का कोई dispute है, demand for GST. जैसे दो GST होते हैं. One is the central GST or state government GST. Okay. So suppose they demand for the country, they want to increase the proportion of GST for a state. So any dispute between the state and country. So these are the disputes which sort out by the judiciary. First, follow the judiciary to sort out the dispute. Second, upholding the law. Second one, if any laws may be made up by the legislature, parliament, so it is the duty of judiciary to uphold the laws, to follow the laws. Judicial reviews. Third point, judicial reviews. Judicial reviews means suppose anyone decision taken by the executive, legislature, or sometime when a judiciary may be feel such decision may be violated our country or constitution. So such decision may be hurt any community or maybe against or maybe not according to the basic structure of constitution. Whatever basic structure given, अगर हमें लगता है कि basic structure of constitution जैसे लिखा है constitution, we can't give the more than 50% regulation. अगर हम 50% से ज्यादा रेगुलेशन नहीं दे सकते तो किसी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने अगर ऐसा किया है तो इन सच कंडीशन judiciary can interfere. So judicial reviews means the suppose anyone laws may be made up by government or state government or central government. So in such condition, supreme judiciary has the power to judicial reviews. तो citizen को ऊपर reviews कर सकता है. So this is the three duties we have discussed. First one is the to sort out the dispute. Second one, upholding the law. Or third one is the judicial review. This is the three duties of judiciary. Structure here we have discussed. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the next point, that is concerned with independent judiciary. Of independent judiciary means what? Independence is स्वतंत्र. No one can interfere. So there are three organs: executive, legislature, So in such condition, or last one is the judiciary. That's why I'm not writing here. So you know this rest of two can't interfere the decision of judiciary. They can't force to the change decision of judiciary, or judiciary will be not a react from the pressure of death. Judiciary is completely independent. वो पूरी तरह से इंडिपेंडेंट होती है, ऐसा नहीं कोई एग्जीक्यूटिव मेंबर लेजिस्लेटिव मेंबर अगर उनके करने पे या उनके डायरेक्शन पे वो डिसीजन ले वैसा ही एक्ट करे जैसा कि दोनों एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड लेजिस्लेचर चाहते हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं होता, जुडिशरी इंडिपेंडेंट होता है। इन आर जुडिशरी कैसे इंडिपेंडेंट है, बिकॉज वो भी मैं बताता हूँ कि यू नो जुडिशरी चीफ जस्टिस हाई कोर्ट जज सुप्रीम कोर्ट चीफ जस्टिस आएंगे, तो हाई कोर्ट सुप्रीम कोर्ट जो जजेस होते हैं दे आर अपॉइंटेड बाय द प्रेसिडेंट। इफ दे आर अपॉइंटेड बाय प्रेसिडेंट और इन आफ्टर देयर अपॉइंटमेंट इट इज द नियरली इम्पॉसिबल, इट इज द नियरली इम्पॉसिबल रिमूव फ्रॉम देयर सीट। हम उनकी सीट से उनको नहीं हटा सकते अगर व्हेन once we have appointed, we means the president. If president has appointed the judiciary, supreme or chief justice, high court judge or supreme court judge, so it is the nearly impossible to remove from their position or seat. Or where the president will appoint after concern of prime minister, yani prime minister will concern with the president or later on they appoint up. There is a one condition in we can remove by the 2/3 majority in houses. अगर 2/3 majority हमारे पास है in both houses, 2/3 majority against it, out of 300 200 में भी against the total number of the ratio है हमारा 545 है जो भी उसी के अकॉर्डिंग 2/3 majority should be against जो वोट होने चाहिए इनके, but till today in Indian history it never happens. आज तक कभी इंडियन हिस्ट्री में ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि इनको हटाया गया। तो दिस इज द मेन दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से कि आवर जुडिशरी इज द इंडिपेंडेंट जुडिशरी दैट वर्क टोटली फ्री वे, फ्री होके पूरी तरह वर्क करती है। नो वन कैन इंटरफेयर देयर डिसीजन, नो वन कैन प्रेशराइज द जुडिशरी। So these are the topic here we have discussed related to judiciary. And last we are going to few points related to the judiciary. You know, Supreme Court, High Court, and local court. So first we can file our case inside the local court. Okay. If you are not satisfied with the, if these are the basic information, you know, in I know with you already you studied in class 8. So in local court, first we can appeal the case inside the local court. If you are not satisfied with the local court decision, so you may be approached to the high court. If whatever decision given by the high court, it will be, if you are not satisfied, so you can approach to the Supreme Court. But it takes a lot long, means that it takes a lot of time. It is time consuming process. ऐसा नहीं कि within few days it will too much time consuming process. It takes too much time. So this is the process. So when you are not satisfied with the local court, so you can appeal in the high court, or after high court you can appeal in Supreme Court. And another one system, those order decisions given by the high court, it will be followed by the both. अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो डिसीजन दिया है, नॉट हाई कोर्ट, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो डिसीजन दिया, it will be followed by the high court and local court. They can't challenge the decision of Supreme Court. And whatever decision given by the high court, it will be followed by the local court. So this is the system of our judiciary. And another one point, last point, so we are going to discuss our judiciary make that work is smoothly. Well, on the PI also, so everyone can accept to the justice or justice post. PI is the public interest litigation. So public interest litigation. So through this PIL, every one person has to write through the telegram, through the means the conveying the message to the court, file the case. So in such cases, you can access to the justice. So this is the way PIL. But which type of cases may be an individual or a concern with the community. Of community means that it should be in favor of community. Which type of cases you can register inside the PIL. Suppose when you feel this is like you feel when we use the cracker during the Diwali, so it will be harmful for those are the patient of the asthma or like this. So such practices should be from our side. So you can file the such cases inside the court or through the PIL. Those are support to the a large community, which benefit will be goes to the large community. जिसका benefit बहुत बड़ी एक community को जाए. So such type of cases we can file the judiciary through the PIL. So this is the PIL. Earlier you already studied in class here. So this is the art chapter, dear student. We have discussed. So in this chapter, three working of institution we have discussed. First institution is legislature. And judiciary. So through this, now we have completed the chapter, and today onwards I will send your NCERT solutions also. I am giving short lecture on that again. Or in this legislatures there are two houses, upper house and lower house. Upper house known as the Rajya Sabha. Number of members you may be learned from the textbook. Lower house known as the Parliament. Okay, Sansad. So in this, all the legislatures sit together. This is the structure of the Parliament. Or another one legislation is the Vidhan Sabha. Vidhan Sabha or we can say state legislation. जो हर state में होता है विधान सभा जहाँ MLA बैठते रहता है. State legislation. So we have discussed about how to be elected for 5 years for the elections. Is to conduct all the elections. So this is the process we have discussed in this chapter. Another one is the executive. So there are two types of executive: permanent political executive and permanent executive. So political are elected for 5. Political representative are elected for 5 years, and permanent retired after a fixed period, means the whatever government has given or maybe decided. And political more powerful. These members also known as the civil servants. Okay. So why political power is the more powerful compared than the civil servant? We have discussed this topic also in lecture. So because why is the political power? Yeah, political leaders are more powerful because directly they are elected by the public. So they have more power to take a decision or on the direction on the guideline of the political leader. They may be transfer any permanent civil servants. Third one, judiciary. Today we have discussed. There are 3 levels of judiciary. What is the role of judiciary? We have discussed here. Judicial review, dispute the dispute between the state citizen, between two state and country like this, and upholding the laws. These are the main duties to protect the fundamental rights. These are the duties of judiciary. Why our judiciary is independent? How to we can remove the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and High Court judges. So it never possible, nearly impossible we have discussed, but till now it never happens. So these are the points today's chapter we have discussed. So now dear, we have completed this chapter. Monday onwards, we will start a new chapter. If you feel any doubt with this chapter, you may be send your text message to me. Okay. Thanks dear. Have a good day.